What's going on, everyone? My name is Mark Milano and welcome to an Adobe Photoshop tutorial. So have you ever taken a photo and immediately looked at the sky in the photo and said, damn, this photo would be so great if the sky wasn't so dull and terrible looking? Well, if you have, boys and girls, this is the video for you. Now, we have this photo here of Geno Steaks. I took this photo the other day and it snowed the few days before I took the photo, so this was the outcome of the weather that day. We had a crazy no cloud day. It was terrible. The ground looked all bad and snowy-ish, and this is what's going to come out of a photo when you take photos on a day like that. But luckily we have Photoshop and we're going to be able to replace the sky with this. Now, I actually didn't take this photo. I got this online. It's a stock photo. I'm going to leave a link in the description so you guys can go ahead and use this photo in your own projects. But we'll jump right in to part one, or step one. So really for step one, it's really easy. You just want to click on it, make sure you guys could move it around, and just drag it up. So there's these birds here, and I'm going to get rid of them just by dragging the photo up like that. Now we have half the photo covered of clouds, half of it Geno Steaks. What we want to do, though, is we want to click on this here, and we want to make a duplicate. So the way I usually make duplicates is I drag it, and I go down here to the duplicate tab, and I just drop it. And there you go. Now we have a nice, fresh duplicate of the clouds. Now what we could do now is drag the duplicate, and we want to hit Control T. This is going to allow us to transform the duplicate. Go up to the box here, right-click, and hit Flip Vertical. Now we have a vertically flipped photo of the original photo. Drag it down, hold Shift, and connect it to the original. And voila, we have a whole photo. But there is one step to kind of make it that complete photo. We want to get the original and the duplicate, click on both, hold Shift, right click, and hit Merge Layers. Now we officially have one full layer of two photos connected together. What we're going to do now is we want to go over here to where it says normal. This is our blending options. At the blending options, go click on it and hit multiply. And already we have a sky replacement just in our photo. As you can see, we have the sun rays going through the middle of the restaurant here. It's just not what we wanted just yet, but it looks awesome already in the background. But what we could do is we want to go up, and there's many ways you could do this. You might know your own way to do this. I'm going to use the Lasso tool for this, and I know, as being a Photoshop person, the Lasso tool could be terribly annoying and frustrating to use. Well, I'm about to make all your worries go away. This is going to be informal, and it does not have to be perfect at all. So we'll draw that up here. Just make sure when you do the drawings, though, it's on the building. Don't go out into the sky because you're going to get lots of dull areas, and that's not what we want. So we're going to go ahead, go around the cheesesteak, go all up here, go around this building, go around this building, and connect it finally. And alright, just like that, we got a nice lassoed outline. Now what we're going to do next with that lasso outline is we're going to go up to the filter option. Make sure it's selected. Go up to the filter option, and we're going to go to blur, and then hit Gaussian blur. Now it already has me set to 170 because that's what I usually use when I do this type of Gaussian blur. So you could do 170, just make sure you guys check out your photo. You don't want any of those sun rays or anything on the ground, like if you were doing stars coming from the sky. You don't want stars appearing on the ground. You kind of just want the reflection of the stars. So I'm going to keep it on 170 actually, because that's kind of where I see the best fit. So we'll hit OK. Now what you're going to do to get those lines away, hit Control and D, or Command and D if you're on a Mac. And just like that, we have a sky replaced photo. Nice and easy, didn't take very long, wasn't all frustrating trying to erase things out of the photo. Just like that, sky replaced. Now what we could do next, it's something I like to do specifically for this photo. So I'm going to go here, and I'm going to bring up the brightness a little bit just by using the up arrow key while selecting it. So we'll bring up the brightness, make it a little bit brighter. So we'll try 10, and then I also want to bring up the contrast. So I don't know how much I'm going to bring up the contrast actually. Just maybe, we'll see what it looks like. Yeah, so I like to bring it out, and it's only bringing out the contrast of the restaurant Geno Steaks itself. So, well, is it really a restaurant? I guess it's just a steak place, but we're only bringing up that part, and just like that you have it popping out. I did plus 50, so it should be good. So we have that popping out. I think the photo looks pretty damn epic. Let me know, you guys, what you think in the comment section below. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I really appreciate you coming and checking out my video and watching my videos. You guys are awesome. Make sure you guys hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. Also, one more thing. Comment down in the section below things I can do better, things you're liking. You know, I'm always open for constructive criticism. My name's been Mark Milano. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all next time.